Oh, will you give me some order a minute, and I'll sing you a verse of a song. Will you please hold your wish for a second, or I'll pitch the whole bloody thing wrong. It's concerning the state of this country since we joined with the community, and likewise the price of porter and some products marked double EC. Now I'm an easy-going kind of a fella, a bit too easy some might remark, but there's times when the kettle boils over and the quietest of dogs has to bark. I flew over from London last Friday, I came home for the coal and the crack, but my sterling devalued so quickly, I'm having for to take the boat back. No, it's not that I want things all perfect, it's just that I want to survive. It now seems that things they were perfect before we aligned with the five. Now it's 14 long years since we joined them, I remember the Wednesday quite well. I remember the Thursday quite well. The price of the pint was 3 shillings, poised on the mad brink of hell. And if you think that is dear down the country, you should hear what they're paying in the pail. The print on their price list is tiny to protect those not hearty and hale. And sure, a sandwich 'tis out of the question, you'll have to eat potatoes or nuts, for the price of the wheat is ferocious, and it's fixed by those Belgian scuts. We expected cheap whiskey from Scotland, cheap wine from the depths of the lake, thick slices of beef off the mountain, olive oil, goose patty and cake, cheap Chateau Margaux from the Bordeaux, and cases of gold advocat. All we got was free love from Stockholm, and you all know the price paid for that. Have you seen the queer names on our pubs now? They're called after actors and shows. Now it's Magnums and Dillingers and South Fork, where it used to be McAvoy's or Keogh's. I went into a pub in the market, but I couldn't get served at the bar. Says the barmaid, sit down at a table and give me a buzz for a jar. So I sat myself down in the corner and I rang bar extension 02. But fair play to poor Telly Cameron, I could see her, but I couldn't get through. Oh, farewell to old Ireland forever, sure I've had it right up to my neck. Sweet thoughts of good days, they surround me as I'm walking alone on the deck. She's taking me over to England on the waves of my own Irish sea. So farewell to old Belgium and Brussels, and bad luck to you, double EC.
I am over the water, and I'm over you, which is more important. When I was at home, you drove me demented, and my mother also had me sore tormented. Oh, she'd like, as you know, someone older and snazzier. You wish to lick your nose, and you don't wear a brassiere. Your thighs are on show through the holes in your denims, and the smell of your dough simply overwhelms. Wellums. And then there's the hair you take care to make look right. 6 isosceles spikes hitting the heights thanks to Loctite. But my mother would view all that glue as just kid stuff. If she saw the blue nude you have tattooed on your midriff. Oh, the first time I saw you I thought I was dreaming. I was coming to town for a pound's worth of diesel. I saw you sunbathe in the shade of a hawthorn, with shag on to show you the copious wardrobe. Oh, I'd like to turn back the clock to that evening. I'd turn a blind eye and keep me mind on me diesel. But what did I do? I threw out a feeler. I said, hi there to you and tooraloo to me freedom. But how in hell could we gel together when I was chalk and you were cheddar? Oh, you were the bird I had heard in the heather, but your feet were itchy and you'd scratchy feathers. Oh, you warned you were not that wild hot on monogamy, and I should have known you would soon make a mug of me. Every man that you saw, sure you thought he was heavenly, if he'd an Adam's apple and was under 70. Oh, you said you'd be down for the old ploughing championships. I was there on me tractor with me package of sandwiches. I'd be waiting there yet, 'cause you'd met someone randier. You were getting to grips with a hippie from Zambia. And not very long after you laughed as you told me that your new Belgian boyfriend was loyal and boring. And my self-esteem was severely tested when your bust went boom with a sumo wrestler. Oh, they came fast and thick in quick succession, from Rio, Rathangan, Katanga, Kilkishen. And talk about taste, they were wasters and gutter snipes, a shower of no-hopers, no soapers and gobshites. And all this time I sat idly by, like a dog at your feet with a tear in me eye. Oh, you threw the odd crumb, but I wondered just when you would give me a go at the whole bloody menu. And you once made me glad when you had no takers. You dropped down for to view our few little acres. Well, the mother took sick and she picked on me after, but my passion for you remained true and stout-hearted. And besides Ochone, I had no one else. It was you in me bed or me on the shelf. But what made me so keen to see the back of you was that 3-card trick man from Czechoslovakia. So here I am now, stranded out Fern, and if I'd no pride, oh, I'd return. But I'm stopping here till I'm clear of danger, and you're sniffing your coke in Copenhagen. Oh, you've taken east and you've taken west from me, and if I know the mother, there'll be bugger all else for me. Oh, Aisling Og, you have caused great harm to me, for I fear and grieve she won't leave the old farm to me. That's all.
Give a round of applause to my able assistant.
Song for Mary, song for Mary.
We'll get Brian and we'll have Mary then.
No,
There's Bethlehem and Cheltenham and Doors and Limerick Junction. The trip to Medjugorje for the rub of the extra motion. Good people climb Patrick with serenity on their faces. But Ruby, well, she saved me life. Below the Galway races, Ruby hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go. They're under starters orders, Ted Walsh is commentating. Ruby's up in the favours, she'll take some baiting. Necks are strained, eyes are trained, there's fear upon their faces. There's agony and ecstasy below the Galway races. Ruby hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go. 'Tis there you'll see gentility and sheep fleshed up like mutton. There's double-barrel names with mutterns and all melodeons. The talk is all of tillage, of silage and cornacre. I fancy Tracy Piggott in the saddle in the enclosure. Hey Ruby, hold her back, give her the crack and up she go. There's Celtic helicopters and land bank speculators, builders and developers, crocodiles and alligators, soldiers of destiny, they're in the fields of frenzy. Their mouths wrapped round the lamb of God, then come back for the gravy. Ruby, hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go. Sir John McSavage smiles there with Smurfits and O'Reillys, the owners and the trainers, the stable boys and jockeys, with silk around their arses, getting up in Richmond's horses, the convention wives and daughters, the marriages and divorces. Hey Ruby, hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go. Now everyone's out in Salt Hill for the crack and for the porter. There's bookies making odds on two flies walking up the wall. There's folk in thread, their disco mad karaoke and set dances, while some of us who've seen better days are looking to take our chances. Ruby, hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go. Thursday is the ladies' day and the women all look smashing. They're lashing on the lipstick, Philip Tracy's all the fashion. You can see the liposuction, the botox and augmentation, Brazilian haircuts, the long neck irrigation. Ruby, hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go. He's galloping down the back straight now, he has her in a canter. Look at her lap and the jumps begot, she's like a ballet dancer. Over the last she hits the front, there's nothing gonna pass her. Winner alright, it's up Kildare, follow me up to Carlow. Ruby, hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go. Hey Ruby Walsh, hold her back, give her the crack and up she'll go.
Schwarze